I'm Mark at 21 degrees. I'll give you a quick talk through the window you're looking at. This is the GBS78 inward opening tilt and turn window. The thing to notice about the tilt and turn is the frame and the sash. The sash on the outside sits back from the frame. It's an over-rebated sash, which is a common feature on tilt and turn windows. The paint finish is a water-based microporous paint. It won't peel or crack or blister. It's guaranteed to keep its colour for 10 years, and it can last as long as 15. Somewhere between 10 and 15 years, the colour will fade. As it's fading, it's still there protecting the timber, doing its job. When the fade or the colour starts to annoy you, it's looking a bit shabby, it's a light sand with a finely sandpaper, then one coat with a water-based microporous paint, and the colour's back, or indeed you can change the colour. However, as it's an inward opening window, when the window is open on a warm but wet day, we need a drain at the bottom of the window to take the water away, and we'll look at that closely from the inside shortly. This is the GBS78 inward opening window from the inside, and you can see the over-rebated sash sits proud of the frame on the inside. This part here, you can see running around the window, is the glazing bead. If you need to replace glass, it's replaced from the inside. You cut through the silicone, prise the bead off, take the glass out, new glass in, bead back, silicone back round again. So it's replaced from the inside should you need to replace it. This is one of the handles. There are a range of handles. The most popular handles are on here, but we can do other handles as well. And with the tilt and turn, the first turn handle brings the window inwards. Now this is really just to clean and put back. There's no stay with the window. It really is to clean and put back in its place. A handle carried through to the top, and the window now tilts. So we have the turn, and then you have the tilt. Now on that warm but wet day, we mentioned the drain on the outside, because obviously on a warm but wet day, water's pouring down there. So if you can see the drain here, you can see the holes. So if the window's in that tilt position, a warm but wet day, the water drains away onto the extension sill and out. So that drain is needed, and it's powder coated to match whichever RAL colour you go with. As with all our windows and doors, we have two compression seals. We have one at the back of the sash here, and we have one at the front of the frame. You can't really see that, but you look up close, you'll feel it. So we have two compression seals all the way around. When you close the window too, put the handle down for the lock position, seals are pulled together in two positions all the way around the window, giving us class 4 airtightness. This window also comes in GBS78, which is a 98mm depth of frame. The 78 has a 78mm depth of frame. And GBS98 is mainly for Passive House certified windows where we have a U value requirement of being below 0.8, and GBS98 is 0.71 whole window U value. So the GBS78 is 0.8 and the GBS98 0.71, but they look the same and all the components are the same. We do a range of extension sills, powder coated aluminium. They go from 50mm to 325mm. They have different end caps, different finishes that take different wall finishes. So you can talk to us about that. We also can do some timber sills, but we are restricted on size with them. We only go to about 100mm depth because of the shape of them. So most extension sills we offer are powder coated aluminium like that, from 50mm up to 325mm.
Okay.
Should you have a window sitting immediately on the sloping stone sill, we have something we call a stone bed connector that can be brought into play there. So if you scan the barcode, you can get more information from us or ask us to get in touch with you to discuss your particular project. All our windows and doors are made with engineered laminated timber. So it's not one piece of timber, it's laminates of the same timber put together with grains going in different directions, which makes it really stable. It won't twist, warp, swell or shrink. And all the knots and defects have been removed. And where they've been removed, they are finger jointed together, which again strengthens the timber. It's really stable timber. But bear in mind, if you expose the timber on the inside, you will see the finger joints, and they are haphazard. They appear where they appear.